So in today's video, we're organizing underneath the kitchen sink, and I'm so excited because this organization area is not as hard as something like the pantry like we did last week, or just the overall kitchen in general. It's a smaller area, a more confined area. It doesn't have that many things typically, but it still needs to be organized. So today I'm taking you through a step-by-step of what I'm doing to organize underneath my kitchen sink and how you can organize yours too, and giving you a whole bunch of ideas. So let's get into it. Okay, so I am gonna show you guys what I got for this organization process. Everything I got was from Amazon. I'm literally looking at it. All the boxes say Amazon. Everything I got is from Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys what I got and kind of my initial thought process and plan for organizing under my kitchen sink. I got these plastic storage containers, which are basically just regular bins that I'm going to use to hold basically majority of the products, like anything that's in bottles or cans, things like that is gonna go in these bins. And it came in a pack of 4, basically just like the container store bins that you see everywhere, just a whole lot cheaper. It comes in a pack of 4, but you may not need 4. I don't think I'm gonna use all 4, but the good thing about this is that you can use them in literally any area of your house. I got this black over the door shelf. So basically this hangs over your cabinet doors. So if you run out of room, the normal area of your under the sink cabinets, this will just hang over your door, and you can put literally any of your just quick grab and go sprays, sponges, things like that you don't want to have to reach for. This hangs right over your door for easy access. I love that it's black. A lot of the ones that I have seen have been silver and just not cute and aesthetic. So I'm so happy that I found this black one. I got these drawers that you can just pull open and grab what you need. I have been looking for a set of drawers like this forever, and I found these super affordable ones on Amazon. They were literally, I think, $20-ish. I don't know, I'll post the pop-up somewhere. But it comes with 2, so basically they're like $10 a piece, which isn't bad at all for drawers, because on Container Store, their drawers were literally like $30 per drawer. And I was like, no ma'am. So the very first thing you're gonna wanna do before you get to organizing anything is to take measurements. You wanna take your measurements because you don't wanna overbuy or underbuy as far as purchasing your organization bins. All of the organization bins, like on Amazon and pretty much anywhere you buy them online, is going to have the measurements on them already, so that way you can figure out how many bins you need, what will fit where, how it will fit, and things like that. Next thing I want you to do is to draw your idea out. You're gonna wanna make a list of your categories. Basically, most under sink areas are pretty much gonna have kitchen cleaning area, a dishes area, and like if you do keep other cleaning products for other areas of your house, those would be categories too. Next, I want you to write down all of your products and how many you have of each product. This just gives you a better idea of what's gonna be taking up the most space underneath your cabinet sink. And then next, I want you to draw all of your bins out after you purchase them and where you want them to go. This will just help give you a visual of what you plan to see. And obviously it doesn't have to be set in stone, because as you work with it and figure it out, you might find that things work better in different places, but this will just give you an idea and kind of an intention before you just hop into it without having a plan. Also, when you're drawing your organization system, keep your obstacles in mind. A lot of kitchen sinks have like that big tank hanging underneath that could be hanging pretty low and blocking things, and others may have a divider in between. Make sure you keep that in mind whenever you're organizing and taking measurements and planning where you want everything to go. It's important that you clean everything out before you organize, because you don't want to organize on top of obviously bacteria and dirt and anything else that might be down there. But whenever you go through and take everything out, you're able to see what products you have, what you can get rid of, and what you possibly need more of, or you don't have any of and you know that you need. And then if you have one, I forgot to order mine, but make sure you line the cabinet with a liner. This will just help protect your surface from any stains or products leaking or things like that. Or if you even have like a sink issue and you just want to make sure that your cabinets are protected, so line your cabinets. Next, you're gonna want to establish your container placement. So when placing your containers, you wanna think about functionality, how you're gonna get to something, what you grab most often, things like that. Be sure to make every inch of cabinet space count whenever you're placing your containers. If you can and if you have a bunch of products and you need everything to go to the back, use the back of the cabinets. Use your cabinet doors. You want to be able to make the most out of the space you have while still being able to use the space you have. Also, don't forget to use old containers. I'm using food storage containers that I used in our previous pantry, and I'm all about saving where you can so you don't have to go out and buy a whole bunch of things whenever you're organizing something. If you have something left over, or you have a bin that you're not using anymore, see if you can incorporate that. Pro tip, food storage containers are actually better for organizing things like dish pods, or what are they called? Dishwasher pods, like the Cascade, you know what I'm talking about, the Cascade little pods, because it keeps air from getting to them, and if you don't use them very often, it'll keep them from drying out or getting old or anything like that. Okay, so whenever you're organizing, be sure to place your most used products at the front for easy reaching, because you don't want to have to dig for a product that you're going to be using constantly. If you're struggling to find space, be sure to use your cabinet doors. I only am using one, but if you have that much stuff, use the other cabinet door. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I want to quickly go over what I did, my system, my mindset behind it all. So over here on the left, I just have like Windex or multi-surface cleaner. We use this one, it's called Jaws, and it comes with this little pink package. I think I have one and I can show you. But all you have to do is stick it in the top, and then you fill the rest with water, and then it turns into the solution itself, which I thought was so cool. And then just some Windex in the back. We have our dish soaps, our Lysol wipes. We have dish pods, cleaning gloves, multi-surface microfiber towels, and then our sponges. And then over here, I just have a sponge for easy grabbing, and then our extra towels that didn't fit in the pull-out drawer. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more organization videos, home videos, hacks, things like that, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up for a new video every single Sunday. Bye guys.